Yes, y'all, back again with another wonderful announcement about this phenomenal event happening right here, but it's for the women only, so I'm gonna step on out.
Thank you, Wesley. Again, my name is Crystal. I'm the founder of Empowered by Women, and we are hosting our very first Empowerment Summit right here in the beautiful COBIZ space. I am a huge proponent of putting yourself into the room, and trust me, this is going to be a room that you want to be in. Our platform is all about providing opportunities for women to come and share their stories and inspire other women. So this is your opportunity to come and listen and soak up all of their really great energy. Network. Okay, your network is your net worth, and these are fabulous women that you're going to want to get connected to. There will be 2 workshops, some fabulous speakers. We are going to have complimentary headshots, and everyone needs a good headshot. And of course, there'll be food and drink and gift bags. So come and get your tickets. If you haven't gotten them already, no worries. I have a special little treat for you since you're watching this video. When you go ahead and check out for your ticket, just enter coupon code Still Early so you can snag your tickets at our early bird rates. And I will see you then.
And what date and time?
July 21st. Thank you, Wesley, for the very important question. July 21st, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Be there. You're going to love it. You will not regret it, and I cannot wait to meet you.
And what's the website again?
At www.empoweredbywomen.com/events is where you can get your tickets. Thank you, Wesley. Always a help.
All right, now.